Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And hello guys, I'm Fadila Fadani Ridwan from Department Public Administration of Hasanuddin University. Today, I want to share my opinion and my experience about what is social justice and social equality. Are are these same or have a difference, and how these two are fundamental in public administration? The first, we have know about what is social justice. Social justice is it means being just, right, and equal in every aspect. Social justice includes several aspects such as equality, moral behavior, and fair treatment. Social justice is concerned with rights and equity in the rule of law. If there is unfair treatment of a certain group of people, or if someone has been the victim of wrongdoing, or if someone violates the rules and laws laid down to maintain impartiality of society, then justice will ensure that they are punished according to their treatment. Justice emphasizes fair and impartial treatment of all the people according to accept moral or fair conduct. Second, we have now about what is social equality. Social equality means giving everyone the same position or treatment by society. Therefore, caste, gender, religion, and nationality are not taken into account to treat everyone equity. Therefore, social equality is when everything accepted as equal or equal in all aspects. In other words, equity refers to quality of being equal in quantity, value, or status. As a result, no one will be mistreated or marginalized because of certain difference they may have in the social system. Social equality has the meaning of opening up the barriers so that the equality felt by minority and majority communities. The key to equality is equality in the access of individual to research their potential. Equity and justice are related, but these two have a difference. Equity is a social concept, and justice is more about the concept of legal treatment. Justice ensures that equality is well practiced in a given society. In addition, justice emphasizes the fair treatment of all the people in every aspect. Justice determines whether equality exists to maintain a just society. Thus, equality is a core element of justice. 3. Why these two values are fundamental in public administration? Because in practice public administration, especially public service, equity and justice need to carry out to order the principles justice and non-discrimination. Public service still pay attention to justice for people with special need such as persons with disabilities, women, and children. Then, state administration and process making public policy must pay attention to equality and justice so that citizens have the same right and obligation in various of their life. The government can make public policy to present the voice of minority and the majority communities in order to create democratic implementation. After I explain about social justice and social equality beside my opinion, then how these two values are fundamental in public administration, now I want to share my experience how I getting social justice and social equality in public administration. First, when I made an ID card and when I was 17 years old, my neighbor and I make an ID card and he is the son of district head in my residence. However, when wait in line to make ID cards, we serve fairly and equitably. Even though at the time my queue number is ahead of him and he is a man, however, there is no discrimination when made ID cards and we complete the rules from registration until the ID cards print and given to us. Second, when I check my health, when I was in junior high school, I was exposed an allergic disease of the ear called otitis externa. This happens because I have allergies to food such as egg, noodle, and meatballs. And when I waiting in hospital lobby according to the queue, I and other patient, however of age, gender, and type of disease, we treat fairly and equitably. At the time, I queued with patient disabilities without any difference in treatment. Doctors and nurses serve us a friendly manner and explain to us carefully about the drug to be taken. 3. When I apply to my university, my friends and I, after graduate from senior high school, we register to university with the same selection. In Indonesia, there are 3 types of university registration selection. First, SNMPTN selection is use rapport in senior high school. Second, SBMPTN selection is selection that I did. This selection is computer based using several sub-subjects that become test point such as mathematics, English, scholastic, and other test point. 3. Mandiri selection is for students who fails in SBMPTN selection and have opportunity to register by use SBMPTN result and pay more expensive educational costs. And usually this selection is followed by students who have middle and upper family background. For my friend who have poor family background, they assistant in reduce the cost of education from university or get scholarship from government or public sector. In my opinion, no matter what kind of selection my friend and I did, at the university, we get same treatment, right, and facilities. Even though we come from family background with different economic, together we get the same opportunity and get decent education. From the explanation of my opinion on social justice and social equality and why these two values are fundamental in public administration, and my experience getting social justice and social equality, I hope this video is not only to professional English coursework, but also to help people who watch my video to understand about social justice and social equality. Thank you for watching my video and see you later. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.